Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Hawkins Ash CPAs is seeking a qualified tax manager. We are a team that values personal and professional growth, inclusivity, and empowering leaders.
What I found out, and what was a surprise to me, is that it's much more about people, and this career choice has been a very unique opportunity to serve families, to serve people, more than it has. Yes, you have to know your numbers, you have to be good at applying the tax code, but just helping families and people and businesses through their times of need.
As a tax manager, you will manage staff, prepare tax returns, and maintain client relationships. We're looking for someone with exceptional communication skills and extensive knowledge of tax regulations.
The biggest aspect of the role is that it's opportunity. I think that any manager in public accounting, if you want to be a partner, you could be a partner very, very soon. There's a huge amount of opportunity out there. Even if you don't want to be an owner, don't want to be a partner in a firm or our firm, you get to create the career that you want to create. So if that's all the way to the top, you got every opportunity to go all the way to the top. We are growing fast enough that not even going to be an issue.
Enjoy generous PTO, 401k match, health, dental, vision, and life insurance, wellness programs, flexible work-life balance, and so much more. At Hawkins Ash CPAs, you'll find a rewarding and fulfilling career. Join a team where commitment to care, compassion, growth, and leadership are top priorities. If you're ready for a rewarding career that values personal and professional growth, apply now for our tax manager position at Hawkins Ash CPAs.